In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview mobile version in Durable AI. Making sure your site looks great on a phone is essential, and Durable makes that process quick and reliable. I'll walk you through how to switch views, what to look for while you're checking the layout, and a couple of simple tools to help you feel confident before you publish. Start by logging into your Durable account and opening your website editor. Once your editor loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the view switcher, sometimes called the preview toggle. This is where you can change how the editor displays your site. Click the mobile icon to switch from the default desktop view to the mobile view. You'll immediately see your page reformatted to a handheld screen size so you can review it exactly as a visitor would on a phone. While you're in mobile view, take a slow pass through each section. Check that headlines wrap cleanly, paragraphs are readable without zooming, and spacing feels natural from block to block. Make sure images aren't cropped awkwardly and that important visuals remain clear at smaller sizes. Test your buttons and links visually. Are they large enough to tap comfortably, and do they stand out? If anything feels cramped or off balance, use the editor to adjust spacing, font sizes, or image placement. Then glance back at the mobile preview to confirm your changes. Quick note while we're here, you'll find the link to the Durable website at the top of the description so you can sign in or get started right away. If you're using an app version, the download link is there as well. By default, Durable AI designs are mobile responsive, which means your sections automatically adapt to different screen widths. That said, every site is unique, so it's smart to review a few layouts and pages, especially ones with galleries, pricing tables, or complex headers. If you want to simulate different phone sizes, you can also use your browser's Inspect tool. Right-click anywhere on the page and choose Inspect, then toggle the device toolbar to cycle through common screen dimensions. This is helpful for spotting issues that appear only on narrower or taller displays. Before you make your site live, use the Preview option in the top right to view the site as a visitor would, without the editor tools. Give it one last scroll on mobile view, confirm your key pages look consistent, and you're ready to publish with confidence. That's it. If this helped, give it a quick share. And as always, thanks for watching.